Welcome. My name is Amy Lambert and I'm your instructor for this course. I'm super excited you're here. The only other thing that I'm more excited about is math. I love math, which you might think that's a little strange. But besides loving math, I love helping people be successful in their math class. You put in the effort and I'll put in the effort and we will get you through this if that's what you're thinking right now. There are a few of you that do love math, and that's awesome. Welcome. But those, that find math a little more difficult, I am here for you. I'm happy to help you in any way I can. So what I'm going to do next is show you what you need to do the first couple days of our class. And then every Monday, I will have a new video walking you through what you need to do. If you have any questions about anything, please email me or send me a message via Canvas. Our entire course is going to be in Canvas, and that would be the best way, easiest way to get a hold of me, but I also take emails. Again, welcome. Super excited you're here. Welcome back. As you can see, I am in our Canvas homepage, and I just want to walk around here and show you some things of importance. Up here at the top are the announcements. You can just click on those to read the announcements. You'll want to make sure you set up your Canvas notifications so you are told when there's a new announcement, either through your email, on your phone. There's just different ways on there that you can set up the notifications, because that is how I'm going to contact you, is through announcements, and then over here through the inbox. So again, there's going to be a place where you can set up those notifications, but I just want to make sure you're aware that that is how I will be communicating with you. If you scroll down, there's a place for videos, and that's where this one is right now. But every Monday morning, there'll be a new video walking you through what you need to do that week in our class. Okay, and on the left-hand side, there's the home button, syllabus announcements, modules, grades, discussion, steps for success and online tutoring, which is at the Learning Commons in the Phoenix College Library. And then you'll see all of these tabs. And you'll notice when I click on them, not much happens, but if you were looking down here, the wording's changing. So if you want to go to Getting Started Day 1 module, you would click on the tab, and then you also need to click here. You can also click on module on the left here to get there. But this is just another way to get to the modules. This Getting Started Day 1 says first watch this video, what you're doing, and you must complete all these items before the helpful resource module opens, which is something you need to do on day 1. This includes information about objective-based testing, free tutoring, and then resources that Phoenix College offers. Next is the lockdown browser. All your exams will be taken with the lockdown browser in our class. And then we move on to Module 1, which is Foundations. There'll be lecture assignments, homework assignments, practice quiz, and quizzes. So let's look at this Getting Started Day 1. This is what I'd like you to do is come here. Oh, before we do that, over here on the right-hand side, it's great. Canvas has this lovely to-do list. The problem is not everything is on the to-do list, only things that have points. But there's things I need you to do that don't have points. So if you come over here and click on discussion number 1, what you'll notice is you can't complete it because it says there's prerequisites first, which is this welcome to our class. You need to read that. So you can either click on Welcome to our class here, you can click on Modules to get to the beginning of that module, or again, I'm going to go back to the home page, click on Getting Started Day 1 tab, and then click on the link down here. Now, I don't know about you, but when I look at modules, it kind of overwhelms me when they're all open because it's just so much stuff. So what I like to do is collapse all. And then all I see is the block headings. It just makes me feel better. Please notice on the homepage, there was a lot of tabs. This only goes to Module 3. I don't have them all shown yet because, again, I don't want to overwhelm you. So, again, we go to the Getting Started Day 1. You click on it, it opens. You need to do this Welcome to our class first. So you'll read that. and then establishing expectations will open, information about successful students. Even if you're taking this class face-to-face, it's most likely hybrid, and that means there's a bunch of the class that's going to be online besides just what's in person. There's the online readiness test. Then you come down, there's the syllabus and calendar of due dates. I need you to read these and then either print them or download them and put them on your desktop. There's the confirmation saying that you actually did that. If you don't do the confirmation by the second day of class, I will withdraw you from our class. Next, you'll get more information about me, and then discussion number 1. And there's some Canvas housekeeping, which again is that notification settings. Get that set up, add your profile picture, and again, information about collapsing the modules. So after you complete getting started day 1, you'll come to helpful resources. You're going to watch the objective-based testing video, which is me explaining what objective-based testing is. There is, again, some things to read. And then information about scanning and uploading your work. There's more information and help for Canvas if you need that. There's some information about free tutoring, and then general resources at Phoenix College, which includes like the food bank and information about grants and things like that. Okay, so we'll close that. This first week, so there's that. This first week, you'll need to do Module 1. When you click on that, there's a quick 6-minute video about being successful in your online class. The homework help forum, you need to click on that because I want to remind you that it's there. Then your resources. Pretty much every problem is worked out on these handouts here. There's a textbook for the entire chapter, and then the textbook for each section. Then each section has the lecture and homework. So 1.1 and 1.2 are what's due this week. So you'll see there's a lecture assignment for 1.1 due the 26th, and then one due for the homework due on the 27th. Then you'll come to 1.2, and again you'll see the lecture also due on the 26th, and then the homework's due on the 27th. There's a practice quiz which is due on September 2nd, and then the quiz for Module 1. After that, this week also, you'll want to come to the lockdown browser. There's a video for you to watch. Again, it's 2 minutes. You'll download the lockdown browser, which can be done on a laptop, a desktop, or a Chromebook. It cannot be done on an iPad. If you have an iPad, the Phoenix College Library is open, and you can go in there and use their computers, which have the lockdown browser and camera. There's information about scanning and uploading your work, because you'll need to do that. There's the honor question, and then the syllabus quiz, which you will do in the lockdown browser. We're doing that nice and early so we can troubleshoot if there's any problems. There is one math problem on this syllabus quiz, and that's to help you practice writing down your work and then uploading it, because you'll need to be doing that for all your exams. So all of that is due this first week. Next week, we'll start Module 2. All right, but right now that's what's due. You need to do all of that. If you're watching this before class starts, feel free to get a head start and get this stuff done. One last thing I want to do is come over here to the syllabus, and you'll see here's the syllabus that you can click on, and then there's the calendar of due dates. And I want to open that up because I like this view. It's a 1-page. You can print it or again have it on your desktop, and it shows on Wednesday what's due is the Getting Started module and the helpful resources. It also says begin module 1.1, or sorry, it should be begin module 1. There's a double 1 there. We'll get that out of there. You also have your discussion number 1, and 4 replies are due on Sunday. On Thursday, it's a little bit different for this first week. You need to do the lecture, which is your actual lecture. If we're in a face-to-face class, that is your lecture. You want to sit down, take notes, write down the examples just like you were sitting in class. This is the only lecture you're going to get for this class. And then there's the notes and the worked out examples. You want to do that for 1.1 and 1.2. On Friday, the homework for those 2 sections are due, and the syllabus quiz with the lockdown browser. You'll notice I moved the Module 1 quiz to not be due until the following Friday. All right. Your lecture assignments do not have late passes. All right. There's no late passes on lecture assignments, discussions, or the mastery exams. If you have any questions about anything, please do not hesitate to email me or send me a message in Canvas. I am happy to help you any way possible. Again, welcome. I'm super happy that you're here.